and welcome back to my channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's together journey into the imagination, ventures, and dreams of our bedtime story.
Hello, lovelies. It's Miss Allie here. I'm so delighted you have come to join me tonight for another bedtime story. Wow, you are in for a treat, as our bedtime story tonight is Goodnight, Construction Site by authors Sherry Jesky Rinker and Tom Lichtenhall. All right, lovelies, let's together journey into imagination, dreams, and adventures in our bedtime story here. Down in the big construction site, the trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. The sun has set. The work is done. It's time for the trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny and bright, pulls up his chute, turns off his light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh! Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch! Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to a snore. Shh! Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as he can be. He puffs some smoke off his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls into his soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh! Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arrgh! But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh! Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow's another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engines. Stop your tracks. Relax your wheels, your stacks, and your backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction site, all tucked and tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. All right, lovelies, I hope you enjoyed our bedtime story tonight. Make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming bedtime stories. All right, lovelies, I'll see you next time. See you in a bit. Good night. Hello, lovelies. It's Miss Ellie. Yep, we're cutting that. Hello, lovelies. It's Miss Ellie here. Oh, dang it. Authors Sherry Deskey Rinker and Tom Linchdon Held. Alright, lovelies, let's together journey into imagination and oh my gosh.